When it comes to installing new windows in Washington, the weather plays a significant role in the timing, preparation, and overall success of the project. Washington's climate is known for its variations, from rainy seasons on the west side to colder, snowy winters in the east. Understanding how weather can affect window installation is crucial for homeowners to ensure a smooth, efficient process and optimal performance of their new windows. In this article, we'll explore key weather considerations for window installation in Washington and offer helpful tips on how to prepare for different conditions. Rainy conditions on the west side. Washington is famous for its wet weather, particularly on the western side of the state. Cities like Seattle and Tacoma experience frequent rain throughout the year, making it important to carefully plan the timing of your window installation project. Installing windows during periods of heavy rain can create several challenges, including moisture damage. Rain can seep into your home if the installation isn't completed quickly enough or if the area isn't properly protected during the process. Wet insulation or damp window frames can affect the energy efficiency and integrity of your windows. Extended project time. When it rains, it can slow down the installation process, as the installers must take extra precautions to keep both the building and the materials dry. Window sealing challenges. Ensuring a proper seal around the window is critical for preventing drafts and water leaks. In wet conditions, this can be difficult, especially if the sealant doesn't have time to cure properly. To avoid these challenges, it's best to schedule window installation during drier months or choose a professional installer who can take the necessary steps to protect your home from the rain. A reliable contractor will use weather-resistant materials, such as weatherproof wraps or tarps, and can often work quickly to minimize exposure to the elements. Cold and snowy weather in eastern Washington. Eastern Washington experiences colder winters and more snow than the western part of the state. If you're planning a window installation in cities like Spokane or Pullman during the winter, it's important to consider the effects of cold temperatures and snow on the project. Temperature sensitivity. Some adhesives, sealants, and caulking materials used during window installation are sensitive to temperature. If it's too cold, the materials may not bond properly, which can result in poor insulation and energy efficiency. Freezing conditions. Freezing weather can also impact the installation timeline, as installers may need to wait for the temperatures to rise before starting or completing the project. It's also crucial that the newly installed windows are sealed tightly to prevent drafts, as cold air can easily enter through improperly sealed areas. Snow and ice. Snow and ice accumulation can delay window installation if the installation site becomes too hazardous. Additionally, snow and ice buildup around the window frame can make it difficult to properly install and secure the windows. To ensure the best results, schedule window installations in the spring or fall when temperatures are moderate. If installation during the colder months is necessary, make sure the contractor has experience working in winter conditions and uses weather-appropriate materials. Temperature fluctuation. Washington's weather can experience drastic temperature fluctuations, especially in areas with diverse microclimates. During the spring and fall, temperatures can vary greatly from day to night. These fluctuations can affect the curing time of adhesives and sealants used during installation, leading to potential issues with insulation or window performance. A good solution to this problem is to schedule window installation when the forecast predicts steady, moderate temperatures. This will allow the materials to set properly and ensure the windows are installed with maximum energy efficiency. Wind and storms. Washington is also prone to high winds and severe storms, especially during the fall and winter months. Strong gusts can affect the stability of construction sites, and storms can delay the installation process. Installing windows in high wind conditions can be challenging, especially if the stormy weather makes it difficult to handle large windows or materials. To prevent delays or damage to the windows, it's important to monitor the weather forecast and avoid scheduling window installation on days when high winds or storms are predicted. If you're unable to avoid wind, your contractor may need to use extra precautions, such as reinforcing the installation area to secure materials. Choosing the right window materials for Washington's weather. In addition to timing your window installation carefully, you should also consider the materials of the windows themselves. Different types of windows are more suited to certain climates, and Washington's coastal and mountainous environments may require specific choices. Energy-efficient windows. With Washington's cool and sometimes unpredictable weather, investing in energy-efficient windows is essential. Look for windows with insulated glass, low-E coatings, and airtight frames to keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Durable frames. Opt for durable window frames that can withstand high humidity, moisture, and temperature fluctuations. Vinyl, fiberglass, and clad wood are excellent materials for ensuring longevity and performance in Washington's diverse climate. By selecting the right materials and scheduling your window installation during the optimal time, you can extend the lifespan of your windows and enhance your home's comfort. Conclusion. When it comes to window installation in Washington, weather is a critical consideration. From rainy conditions on the west side to cold and snowy winters in the east, the local climate can affect the timing, materials, and installation process. By understanding the challenges posed by Washington's weather and working with an experienced contractor, you can ensure a smooth, successful window installation that will enhance your home's energy efficiency, security, and overall value. Be sure to plan ahead, choose the right materials, and monitor the weather to ensure the best results for your window installation project.